Ciao, my name is Alan Palmieri and I am the maintenance coordinator for the seed production facility in Sissa, Italy. In Corteva, being a maintenance coordinator means managing maintenance activity, being part of the project team and interact with other colleagues to reach the company's production goals. In this role, it is important to adapt to new production demands by addressing the right improvement, whether to an existing machine or a new plant. In doing so, it is key to keep ourselves and the team updated on new technology and manufacturing innovation. Therefore, Corteva helps employees develop their own skills and knowledge through training, mentoring and coaching from different resources. Corteva also allows each employee to be part of different teams in different regions of the world, creating opportunity to grow and learn from the others. My journey at Corteva started more than 8 years ago while I was completing my university degrees. In 2020, I moved to my current position, and since then I kept improving my skills and abilities while overcoming everyday challenging situations. Experience and being part of a dynamic team plays a crucial role to find solutions to challenging tasks that may require immediate actions to reach the production operation expectations. In these circumstances, it is critical to act courageously, stepping up to address difficult issues and interact with others to find the right solution. It was the case during the construction of the new seed dryer in Sissa, where we had the opportunity to coordinate and supervise multiple companies to reach the common goal of having the plant operating for the 2024 season. This dryer will increase the efficiency and quality of the pioneer seed produced in Italy, and this shows how Corteva is committed to innovation as a main driver of growth, while improving operations to provide farmers with the best solution in agriculture.